Dressing up as usual.
I gotta look good.
James. You fat cat. You are so big and fat. Why are you so fat?
I'm a VIP, Frida. It's what I am. It's time to shove Dennis into the Piraduro.
Don't you do it, JSMA. That's Ub's friend Dennis.
Get in there, you stupid dragon.
You're out as it our aims.
Time for a nap. I'm a cat who loves to snooze. Is that a bird? I am so hungry, I want some honey.
Bounce ahead, enough of your shit jams.
Enough with the chit chat, let's get this grub going.
Where are all the strawberry jam?
I ate those food.
Where are all the rock cakes?
I ate those food.
Biaro, have you been in bouncer bee shit? You're such a bad kitty cat. I had IT with you, that does IT. I'm done with you, James the cat.